To calculate the lighting load, refer to Table 220.3 of the National Electrical Code, which states that the general lighting load for a warehouse is 2.5 watts per square foot. To determine the lighting load for an 11,200 square foot warehouse, multiply 2.5 watts per square foot by 11,200 square feet. This results in a lighting load of 28,000 watts, or 28 kilowatts. Given the use of 100 watt bulbs, you would need 280 bulbs to meet the required lighting load. Now let's consider the receptacle load. The National Electrical Code does not provide a specific load factor for receptacles in warehouses. However, a general rule of thumb is to use a load factor of 2.5 volts amperes per square foot. For an 11,200 square foot warehouse, multiply 2.5 volts amperes per square foot by 11,200 square feet. This gives a receptacle load of 28,000 volts amperes, or 28 kilovolts amperes. Finally, examine the outside fixture load. Each outside fixture draws 4 amps at 120 volts, which equals 480 volts amperes. With 8 outside fixtures, multiply 8 fixtures by 480 volts amperes per fixture. The total load for the outside fixtures is 1920 volts amperes, or 1.9 kilovolts amperes. To calculate the total service size, you need to add the lighting load, receptacle load, and outside fixture load. This means adding 28 kilowatts, 28 kilovolts amperes, and 1.9 kilovolts amperes. The total load comes to 57.9 kilovolts amperes. Since this is a single-phase service, you can use the following formula to calculate the service amperage. Service amperage equals total load divided by voltage. This equates to 57.9 kilovolts amperes divided by 120 volts, resulting in a service amperage of 482.5 amps. Based on this calculation, a 500 amp service would be needed for the storage mini warehouse building.